Imagine getting good at talking with large gift funders. What would that look like for you? Here's the thing, if you're not building relationships with your donors, you're likely guilty of being transactional in your fundraising efforts. And more importantly, you're missing out on bringing in big gifts. When you know how to facilitate a conversation with a big donor, you're more likely to pick up the phone and make the call. Otherwise, you procrastinate and only call donors when you need money. And that's not good fundraising practice. Whether you're just starting out or have been at it a while, you don't want to miss this upcoming training. It's called The Secrets to Making Successful Get to Know You Donor Calls. If there's ever a time to get comfortable getting to know your donors, it's now. I've created sample scripts to share with you. Yes, I'm going live and going to walk you through my 6-step process that guides you in making discovery calls with current and potential big gift donors. I've created a new training to show you easy strategies on how to have conversations with donors. And get this, the training is free. So all you need to do is get signed up right away. Join me live to learn the secrets to making successful donor get to know you calls. Just click the link here and join me in the conversation. I look forward to seeing you then.